Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're exploring Vev.Design, a powerful tool that empowers users to craft stunning visual content. Vev stands out due to its remarkably intuitive interface, allowing even those with limited design experience to produce high-quality graphics, interactive web pages, and even full-fledged presentations. The platform offers a diverse range of pre-built templates and components, providing a solid foundation upon which to build your designs. This drastically reduces the learning curve and enables quick iteration, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project rather than getting bogged down in technical complexities. You can easily customize these templates with your own images, text, and branding elements, ensuring your final output is truly unique and reflects your vision. Beyond static images, Vev empowers you to incorporate interactive elements, animations, and even embed custom code to add that extra layer of polish and engagement. Think dynamic charts, smooth transitions, and interactive hotspots that bring your visuals to life. This dynamic functionality elevates Vev beyond a simple design tool, making it a versatile platform for creating immersive web experiences. Whether you're working on a social media graphic, a landing page, or a complex presentation, Vev offers the flexibility and features you need to bring your ideas to fruition. Another key advantage of Vev is its collaborative features, enabling seamless teamwork and streamlined workflows. Multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously, simplifying the review and approval process. This real-time collaboration fosters efficient communication and ensures everyone is on the same page throughout the design process. Vev's cloud-based nature also means your projects are always accessible, no matter where you are. With no software to install, you can dive into your designs from any device with an internet connection, offering unparalleled flexibility and convenience. In conclusion, Vev.Design provides an impressive suite of tools for crafting visually compelling and interactive content. Its user-friendly interface, combined with a wealth of features and collaborative capabilities, makes it a valuable asset for individuals and teams seeking to elevate their design game.